pagpasok ng mga droga sa bansa natin. Yung mga government officials involved. Kasi hindi na makapasok yung droga sa bansa natin, especially kung malaki yan, kung walang involvement ng mga opisyal sa gobyerno, sa Bureau of Customs, baka yung mga kawani dyan sa Bureau of Customs, whether sa airport, sa pier, may involvement sa pagpasok ng mga droga sa bansa natin. So dapat meron kayong mga asset tungkol dyan at may reward system kayo at mas malaki siguro. Pag meron na-identify na kasabwat na empleyado ng gobyerno, kawani ng gobyerno, dapat mas mataas yung reward para maingganyo naman yung mga asset. Pwede ba kayo mag-set up ng ganon?
The present reward system that we have, Your Honor, covers all individuals, whether they are government or non-government. And we are also limited by the amount because this is prescribed in the reward system. So honestly, our the highest that we can give is 2 million pesos, Your Honor.
Pero kaya nga po, maganda po yan sinabi niyo, Yusek Lazo. Ang akin lang, siguro come up with a reward system, reward program na pwede naman para sa mga kawani ng gobyerno. Diba? Kumuha kayo ng mga asset na tiktikan. Halimbawa, magtiktik dyan sa Bureau of Customs. Sino ba mga involved dyan? Bakit yung mga droga nakakapasok dyan sa mga pier o dyan sa mga airport? O yung mga taga-Coast Guard, sino ba yung taga-Coast Guard pinapayagan mga droga na pumapasok sa ating mga karagatan? Things like that, na mas mataas ang reward system or sino ba sa mga pulis ang involved sa droga at protektor ng droga. Diba? Sino sa mga taga-gobyerno ang protektor ng droga? Mas malaki dapat ang reward system. Kasi nga po, mag-focus tayo doon dahil yun yung mga taong dahilan kung bakit dumadami yung droga sa bansa natin. Dahil itong drug trafficking in our country is not going to happen without the help from people in government, people who have sensitive position or important position. They're the one who facilitates the entry of these contrabands into our country. Diba, sir?
Your Honor,
come up with that kind of reward system.
We will coordinate with the DDB, Your Honor, because it's DDB who will be making these policies. But we will closely coordinate with them.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you po.
Thank you, Your Honor, Senator Tolpo. So, I think, kayo na mag-present, sir. Bilisan lang natin.
Again, sir, good morning. And to our bosses from the DDB, I, Undersecretary Moro Virilio Lasso, along with my colleagues from the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, am here to present to you our agency's 2025 National Expenditure Program. I will begin by citing our 2023 to first semester 2024 financial and physical accomplishments, followed by PDEA's 2025 performance targets, followed by the 2023 COA findings, recommendations, and actions taken. After which, we shall proceed by discussing PDEA's proposed 2025 budget as per the National Expenditure Program. The budget shall be dissected according to allotment class and appropriation source. We will also review PDEA's Tier 2 project proposals for 2025 as approved by DBM, which were included in our 2025 NEP. Next, I will be detailing our agency's major programs, activities, and projects as indicated in the 2025 National Expenditure Program. Lastly, we shall discuss our proposals for fiscal year 2025 congressional initiative projects. With the budget entrusted to PDEA, may I humbly present to the Honorable Committee the agency's financial and physical target accomplishments, starting with our accomplishments for the year 2023. For PDEA's financial performance for 2023, Your Honor, I respectfully request your permission for our Acting Director of Financial Management Service, Director Marla Bridget Galvan, to discuss this portion.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon once again. For the PDEA budget as of 2023, sir, PDEA received a total allotment of 3,263,466,000, of which 3,021,572,000 was received as the agency-specific budget and 161,287,000 was received under automatic appropriations and 80,607,000 under special purpose fund. Continuing appropriations from previous years, from 2022 amount to 38,209,000. So the sum of allotments from 2023 and the continuing appropriations amount to 3,301,675,000. For the obligations incurred for 2023, it totaled to 3,260,788,000 or 98.76% of the total allotment received. It consists of the 3,229,065,000 from the 2023 funds and the 31,723,000,000 from the continuing appropriations. So for 2023, total disbursement amounted to 3,163,693,000 or 97% of the total obligations incurred, with 3,152,804 from the 2023 allotment and 10,889,000 from the continuing appropriations. With regards to the unobligated allotment, sir, we totaled 40,917,000 with 34,431 from the 2023 allotments and 6,486,000 from the continuing appropriations. So for the total unobligated for the total unpaid obligations, sir, this amounts to 97,067,000. So this consists from the 2023 allocations amounting to 76,231,000 and the 20,834,000 from the continuing appropriations. So that's our financial performance, sir, for 2023. If I may I turn over the floor to our DG for the discussion on the physical performance, sir?
Thank you, ma'am. For the agency's 2023 physical performance report, I am happy to report that PIDEA has significantly exceeded its targeted output indicators, which are the following: to arrest 35% high-value targets, which was surpassed but at 88.66% or at 2,565 arrested HVTs out of 2,893 drug personalities arrested. To conduct 325 high-impact operations, which was almost doubled at 610 high-impact operations conducted. To receive drug-related information and reports, validate this, then initiate operations on at least 25% of these reports received. This was again surpassed at 66.71% or 1,128 anti-drug operations out of 1,691 drug-related information and